Vaya, este es rico y sabroso con la Dulce Couture, a.k.a. Cooking, Crafting and Sazon, papi. Mami, ya tú sabes lo que hay. Mira lo que hay hoy. Los tuyos, Rican. How you doing? We're doing curry goat today. What we're gonna use first is this plain yogurt that we got, the Desi Natural Dahi whole milk yogurt, natural plain yogurt. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put it on the goat.
How much goat did we get?
We got
because we got a whole leg.
We got 6 pounds of
goat.
Of goat.
But we had them separate the bone, which they gave to us separate, and then the meat.
Yeah. We had the whole leg.
So what he's doing right now is adding the plain yogurt. And if you guys watch our curry chicken.
What we normally do with this is that we let it marinate from one day to the next. But we like the flavor that it gives, so we're just gonna let it sit for a little bit while I get the seasonings together. While I saute the onions and everything else of that, like that. But
it's better to season it from one day from another. Obviously, you guys see that we're not doing that today because we bought the goat today and all the seasoning. But it's always better for you guys to buy everything the week prior and then just season everything a day or two before.
We normally do 24 hours or so, you know. But here we go. A little guy.
Getty.
All right. So we're gonna put approximately about 2 tablespoons. Let me see. We're gonna put 3 tablespoons of the curry.
Curry powder, guys.
Make sure. So we'll put 3 in here. 3 tablespoons of curry. This is the chili powder. We're gonna use 1 tablespoon. That's 1 tablespoon, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Just 1, not even to the top really, because the kids can't stand it being too hot.
Some of the kids, because some can.
Just to give it a little kick, a little flavor. And then we're gonna use this seasoning that I forgot the name of. But
of what?
This seasoning here. I forgot the name of this seasoning.
Is that coriander?
I think it's coriander, yeah, coriander.
Yeah, I think that's coriander.
Coriander, which in English translation it's cilantro, right?
I'm not sure about that.
Yeah, well it's coriander.
Okay.
We're gonna use 1 tablespoon of the coriander. Okay? So that's basically it. That's all the seasoning that I'll be using. I normally would put turmeric in here, but today we're going to use fresh turmeric for the first time of me doing the curry dishes.
Joey, text me when you get there. Yeah, I know, but when you get there, please text me and let me know that you got there. Curry go, guys, curry go. We're gonna have an Indian dinner today. It's Saturday, it's snowing outside. We left early this morning, but by 12 o'clock the snow was hitting hard. So Paul wanted to cook dinner today, so we decided to do an Indian dinner. So we're gonna have all the Indian treats. So how much olive oil you add? Just add it.
Maybe about 1 teaspoon, right?
And we're using a big caldero that I normally make when we have like parties and the family over. So it takes 2 burners. And we like using this caldero, this pot, when we make any kind of curry, because even sancocho, because the food just lays out. You don't want it all piled up on top of one another. It's better to cook it just straight up, like laid out.
So we have 3 large red onions. Alright guys, so I put in 2 heads of garlic in here. These onions are about midway done. I don't want the garlic to burn all the onions, so I do it midway. But it doesn't take much for the garlic to get sauteed. And then I want to add the ginger. The ginger is about 2 handfuls. 2 handfuls of ginger, chopped up. Then we have 4 tomatoes. 4 tomatoes here. We'll let this saute for a bit. And then we'll add our peppers and fresh turmeric and then cilantro. Then of course we'll add our meat. And then, you know, other ingredients that we'll be adding, such as coconut milk and things of that nature. So now we're gonna add the red and yellow peppers.
How many of each you got?
I got 2 of each.
1 of each?
2 of each.
So you cut 2 red peppers and 2 yellow?
Yeah.
So it's 2 red peppers and 2 yellow peppers.
Right. And you notice I use these peppers and onions and things of that nature the way I do because I'm not using, other than the curry powder and a few ingredients I put at the beginning, then everything else, you get all your flavors and everything from all the natural ingredients. We'll be adding the turmeric as well. 1, so 2 spoons of the turmeric chopped up. These are glass, babe?
Okay. Yeah, those are glass.
So this is basically 1 cup of turmeric.
Yeah, I tell you right there what it is.
Yeah, 1 cup. And we have to let this
simmer,
yeah, really good.
and we'll be back.
Okay, so we're putting a can of coconut milk, leche de coco, from Tropical. We usually use Goya,
That's
but
not for tropical.
yeah, it is for tropical.
Oh, it is? That's what we're going to
I'm adding this because I didn't want to add any more olive oil. I didn't want to add any more olive oil. So I added the coconut milk. Let's break this down a little bit. Baby.
Did you stop it?
So now we're gonna no. We're gonna add the goat.
That looks so good.
Put this lid on so it can release its own juices and flavor, and so that the coconut milk that I put in here doesn't evaporate. All right, so we're at the point we're gonna be adding more coconut milk. I haven't added any water to this. Maybe on the previous video you heard me say that, but there's no water being added to this meal. So this is not water, this is actually the juices of the meat and the vegetables and everything we've done so far. And if I need any more liquid or anything of that nature, I keep adding coconut. So we're gonna add, because this has been on a simmer for maybe about 20 minutes already. See the milk, the meat starting to get cooked, and I don't want anything to start burning on the sides of the pot, anything like that. But as you can see, it's started to come together. All the vegetables are breaking down, but I'm gonna add 2 more cups of coconut milk.
That the coconut milk makes the goat so tender.
And actually, if you marinate overnight in that plain yogurt, it'll make it even more tender.
It makes a big difference.
We just had a taste for it today, so.
Guys, it was snowing out.
Still snowing.
Yeah, it's still snowing from the snow we're supposed to get today. I don't know, because the weather called for snow by 12 o'clock. So we ran out this morning like at 9 o'clock. We running to get everything to make this curry goat stew with some white rice. And I swear to God, it was like 11:52 and it started snowing.
Right?
Oh my God, guys. Oh my God, that tastes amazing.
And this turmeric.
So Big Papa last night was like, it's gonna snow, so I'm gonna make some curry goat. So I was all in it.
Yeah.
But he wanted to get fresh turmeric, right, babe?
Yep. And I'm liking the fresh turmeric.
Because you never made it.
No. It made this the perfect color that I like. See that? That yellow. So and it's giving it a special little taste.
Oh my God, it tastes amazing.
Yeah, the fresh turmeric.
But you guys know, I always say in my videos that you guys seen his curry chicken video, which I'm gonna link on the top somewhere up here. But you know, I always say that curry's not my thing. This is his thing. So whenever he makes tutorials, I don't like to make them because it's really not my thing. I make tutorials on things that I like had down pat. Curry and jerk is his thing, so that's why whenever we make curry or jerk, I let him make the video because that's his.